I'm here at 19 Cynthia Crescent. This is a block of land for sale on Russell Island, 554 metres squared, mostly clear. There's 2 trees on the side boundary, the rest is all small stuff. Very quiet street. It's a no-through road, and actually across the road here will never get built out with houses. This is all conservation zoning, so we'll always retain that lovely peaceful outlook. So the block has an approximate frontage of 23 metres across. It's fairly square, this block, and the other bonus is there is a water connection already here. So this is the outlook across the road. There's also power in the street. So if you're interested to learn more or come and have a viewing in person, feel free to contact me, Kat from T Barclay Real Estate, and I can pick you up from the ferry. Thanks very much.